You know why some of us, our prayers don't get answered. We've prayed. Raka sheke rebo saka lara. You prayed and you prayed and you prayed and you prayed. You said, God, this kid of mine that doesn't want to hear what I'm saying or that doesn't want to do what I'm asking. You have prayed. And suddenly you don't understand why the prayers don't get answered. I've prayed for that new job, God. I've prayed. It's prayer opens the access, but thanksgiving keeps it open. It keeps it open because when prayers, when you've opened up the courts by the thanksgiving, it stays